Are you looking for the top-rated drones for hiking and camping? In this video we will look at some of the top-rated drones for hiking and camping on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera with a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 camera drone lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro with DJI RC. Hasselblad main camera Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with the FAA Remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for Remote ID, and you can visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and Remote ID. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APS 5.0. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. 43-minute max flight time. Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. DJI O3 Plus. Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view. A professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults. Includes DJI RC in one battery. DJI RC has a lightweight, comfortable feel and 700 nit brightness. It's a great for DJI long-range 4K camera drones. An affordable remote controller with a screen. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro Folding Drone. DJI USA authorized, includes full USA warranty plus DJI Care Refresh 1-year plan for the DJI Mini 4 Pro Mini to the max, under 249G, no registration required, travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Unleash stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR, perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage right out of the camera. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Uninterrupted flights with extended battery life. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Immerse in real-time aerial footage with 20 km FHD video transmission, and essential for long flights and great high-quality visuals. Experience lag-free image transmission, immersing yourself in real-time aerial views like never before. Customize intelligent tracking with ease. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees. Achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Even if you're a beginner, getting started in capturing smooth videos is effortless. DJI Care Refresh. Keep moving. DJI Care Refresh is a comprehensive protection plan that offers affordable replacement service and accidental damage coverage. Enjoy your DJI product with greater peace of mind wherever you go. DJI Care Refresh, 1 year, provides 2 affordable replacement units within 1 year, covering crashes, water damage, natural wear, and other accidental damage. Exclusive services include global service and support, rewards for safe use, exclusive technical service, and more. Bundle includes DJI Mini 4 Pro 4K HDR folding drone quadcopter CP at MA.0000740.01 DJI RC2 remote controller DJI Intelligent Flight Battery plus X3 two-way charging hub shoulder bag USB-C cable spare propellers pair, X3 screws X18 screwdriver, Type-C to Type-C PD cable. Gimbal protector, propeller holder, DJI 1-year care refresh plan, Deco gear, drone photography, travel backpack, Lexer 128GB fly micro SDXC UHSI memory card, Deco gear, drone landing pad 31.5-inch with case. Number 4. DJI Avata Pro Drone. Experience the thrill of flying, enjoy total immersion and intuitive control with DJI Avata. When you combine Avata with the goggles and motion controller, flight becomes accessible to all shutter speed, video, 1/8000-1/50s, photo, 1/8000-1/50s video format, MP4. Diagonal distance, 120 mm. Flight has never been easier. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is in your hands. Squeeze the trigger and bolt forward or turn a corner with the swivel of your wrist. Ultra-smooth 4K footage, Avata features an upgraded camera system so that no extra attachments are needed. Enjoy next-level imagery with the 1/1.7-inch sensor, 155 degrees FOV, and flight ship stabilization. Palm-sized and agile, the lightweight and compact design of Avata makes it easy to carry and more capable of agile maneuvers. Fly between gaps, though branches, and take it with you on any adventure. Be bold, fly far. Avata offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety. With the built-in propeller guard, it can handle minor contact, stay in the air, and keep on flying. Backed by flagship transmission, get a sharp and responsive HD live feed with DJI O3 plus video transmission at distances of up to 10 kilometers. Change the way you fly. DJI Avata is compatible with DJI Goggles 2, DJI FPV Goggles V2, DJI FPV Remote Control 2, and DJI Motion Control, which each unlock different possibilities. Number 5. Bwine F7 GPS Drone. FAA certificated completed. The Bwine drone has completed remote ID certification and complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance. Get a Bwine drone and fly unhindered. You can find the remote ID on the drone arm including the QR code. Any more questions about FAA remote ID, please get in touch with us via the contact information on the back cover of the manual or the Bwine drone app. 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, a one-click detachable 4K video camera, along with a 120 degrees FOV lens and larger COMS sensor will bring you the ultimate aerial photography experience. Especially to record the unforgettable night scenes you see. Besides, equipped with a 3-axis gimbal plus 5x digital zoom ensures its shooting is more stable and convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. 75 mins flight time comes with 3x2600 mAh intelligent batteries. The F7 drone will offer you a total of 75 minutes of flight time per trip. Just take the portable bag and start your travel. Notice, please charge the battery with 5V/3A or 5V/2A charger using original charge cables can better prevent short circuits. 6H full charge via 5V/3A and 7H full charge via 5V/2A. 2000 m altitude, L6 wind resistance, built-in 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, barometer plus 6-level wind resistance test report. You can even fly on a 2000 m peak and control F7 within a range of 3000 meters. Even in thin air or on windy days at high altitudes, you can still feel its calmness and shoot an ultra-clear and stable video and pictures. It will be easy to look down and record your city, town, or farm from a high-altitude first-person perspective. GPS, never lose your drone. Bwine Smart GPS Drone will automatically return once the battery is low, the signal is lost or you press one key return. Besides, it can fly following you, along a path you set and around a point in circles. Amazing advanced app settings. Get a Bwine F7 drone. You can share your FPV incredible view with one click via app, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Surprisingly, you can also retouch your photos or videos with filters and background music, 6 filters and 10 background music included.